Hey everyone! With Wagtail 4.2 being out in the world, I wanted to show you something really cool that we've added to the rich text toolbar. And so let's go ahead and highlight some text here. And you'll see that the toolbar pops up like you expect it to, and you can add some italics or bold, anything you want to change the text to, really. And now we have this little pin button here that you can use to pin the toolbar to your block. And not only does it pin the toolbar to this block, but it pins it to all the other blocks on the rest of the page where you have text. And so that makes it super handy for those who like to keep their toolbar in one spot while they work. But if you're the type of person who likes to switch back and forth, you can also just unpin it and then repin it and unpin it again and repin it. It's just one more option that Wagtail is giving you to work the way you want to. So enjoy.